Hello, welcome back to Marvelous Vehicle. Today I'd like to introduce another food trailer for you. This is a new model and we can paint it into your favorite color with your logo or your slogan. And this trailer is mainly for coffee selling. It is about 5 meters long with a toolbar. If you have your brilliant idea about the floor plan, we can make it as you wish. And it has double axles. We can also install the kitchen supplies inside. And the voltage can be 110 or 220. Please kindly contact me for more details. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.